one is Arsen Kovac. He's right up there, high in the Separatist command.
Intel says he's the Butcher of Borjami. Wiped that village clean, then burned it to the ground. About 1,500 dead. I've got 1,500 Georgian lari.
That's what, 40 cents to the dollar?
I'd like to nail the bills to that son of a bitch's chest and write payment for Borjami across his face.
Yeah, that would make it crystal clear that you kill innocent civilians, you got a price on your head.
Copy that. Priority 2?
Gunrunner. Igor Zaitsev. Apolitical. Russian. Looks to be part of a criminal gang. Mercenary. Just in it for the money.
And the wages of sin are death.
You're almost there. I've marked the suitable sniping spot on your GPS.
I'm on site.
Copy. Get comfy. I'll keep you informed. Okay, get ready. You got some time before the target arrives. Use your scopes to scout the area.
Multiple tangos in the vicinity.
Copy. Look around and remember to hold your fire before the target arrives.
Roger. They've got a mortar. Seems like they're ready for us.
Too many guards there right now. Stay low.
I see a sniper nest above the checkpoint.
They're all well-trained and dangerous bastards. It may be a good idea to take him down before the situation gets hot. Your call.
I think I got him. The guy looks like Kovac. Fits the description. Waiting for confirmation?
Confirmed. It's Kovac. Target vehicle is approaching your location. About 250 meters. Get ready.
Big guy's getting out of the car. It's... Zaitsev. Waiting for confirmation.
Identity confirmed. Wait for a good moment. You may kill two birds with one stone. Fire when ready.
Copy.
Explosion on the perimeter!
All targets dead.
Confirmed. Exfiltrate the area. We've got a casualty. Two kills confirmed, Lodestar.
Was touch and go until I got a clean sight line.
Good job. Eyes like a hawk.
Thanks. Think I should earn a little leeway. Intel reports a couple of sightings of Robert.
John,
He's my brother.
request denied, soldier. He's not in our deck of cards.
I know.
You cool with that?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Keep focused, John. You've got enough trouble directly ahead. We've got a ghost presence in the safe house. Movement detectors are throwing up shadows.
How many?
Could be 3 or 4.
An ambush?
Or a raid. Could be that location is blue.
Fuck. Got a big weapons cache, maps, recent intel.
Get over there, but be careful. They gotta know you're coming.
Good. Never been afraid of ghosts. Out.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been...
That's for the shit you pulled in Afghanistan.
Point taken.
Now would be the perfect time to tell me why I'm here.
I've been ordered to destabilize the Separatist cells and neutralize their leadership. I won't lie. I need someone who knows the region.
You better be fucking joking. I thought I made it clear. I'm never working for your government again.
Perfectly clear. There's the real reason. It's Robert. He's here.
Robert? Oh, Robert. So you called me here to go chasing ghosts with you. You know I'm a wanted person in Georgia, right?
Over the past 6 weeks, CIA, B&D, and Mossad have all identified a man fitting Robert's description in northern Georgia.
That's it? Jesus, John. You took this assignment because you think he's here, didn't you?
Robert's my brother, Lydia. He's family.
What do you need me to do?
You know this region better than anyone. You're a hell of a fighter. I know I can trust you. What happened between us in Afghanistan, that was a long time ago. I don't know if it still means anything to you, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry I was me, and that it hurt you.
You unbelievable fucking asshole. Deal. I'll help you find your goddamn little brother. I'll hit up a few contacts. Let them know I'm back in the game. I'll be seeing you, Marine.
An day in paradise.
Lodestar.
Ah, come on, Lydia. Not you too.
Sweetness and light on the outside, total shit on the inside. But you are a badass killing machine, so maybe that's what it takes.
So, let's get to it then.
Thomas and David Sidemonidze started to unify all the separatist cells. As ever, when brutal ethnic cleansing starts, it brings haters together. There is an emerging Georgian resistance snapping away at the edges of the separatist campaign. In short, sabotage. It's causing disruption. Not very strong, but with a lot of heart.
What's key to bringing them over?
A humanitarian mission. Civilians are being marched to an old cemetery. They're being executed by the separatists. Save them. Resistance intel can help lead us to Thomas and David.
It'll be my pleasure. Out.
Be careful out there.
Looks like they're digging their own graves. There's no time to waste.
Why the hell are you asking me? Need my help getting your fucking ass too? Don't waste my fucking time. Throw me down!
Report your findings.
Don't kill me, I beg you, please, no.
Get the hell out of here.
There's no
Over.
soldiers around.
I see the target.
Too risky.
Roger. Take him down.
Roger, be on the lookout for enemy movement.
Perimeter is breached.
Target's down.
Copy.
Scaffolding. Looks like someone was set to restore the ruins. The area's clear. You can make a break for it.
I promise. We will never forget what you've done for us.
Lydia. Lydia, do you copy?
I got you, John. Good work.
Fucking heartbreaking. People led to the slaughter like cattle.
But thanks to you, they'll live to fight another day. And you've already hit major intel pay dirt. The Rodki Lions have come to us. Their leader, Koba Nemsadze, gave us Ivan Khrushchev. He's another separatist top lieutenant. Vicious, sadist, pure evil.
But nothing on Tomas or David?
That intel will come. I know Koba will be very useful. He's one of the strongest, most committed resistance leaders. Very easy on the eyes, too.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Let us just keep moving up the spine of the snake. According to Koba, you can find Khrushchev in the blocks.
I'm guessing that's one of those Soviet buildings that looks like a prison.
But this one is an apartment building. Crumbling, old, supposedly abandoned. Watch your step. Could be booby-trapped.
Thanks,
Save it. Can't afford to lose a valuable asset like you on the ground.
Yeah, right. Out.
John, wait. Koba offered his support in searching for clues on Robert. You did good, John. Out.
Mr. North, this is Koba Nemzadze. I got your contact from our mutual friend, Lydia Yogadze. I wanted to thank you for saving our brothers from sudden death. I hate asking for outside help, but if you are willing to help the people of Georgia, I will swallow my pride. Please meet me. I will send you my location.
Got some new intel for me?
New category of targets. The most wanted list. The most dangerous separatist monsters out there. We're talking horrific war crimes. JSOC wants them dispensed with where and when we find them.
What about the ICC?
This is American justice. Shoot first, ask questions later.
Yeah, well, I've seen separatist handiwork in the field, so I don't have any questions. Torture and killing of POWs, rape and burning. Blocks.
New intel has him moving around the complex. He's deeply paranoid and always travels with a heavy escort.
No fancy footwork, Joe. In and out quickly. Do as much damage as you can, and head home.
Will do. Out.
over her up or something. Fuck this, you go play power. You don't know I might be listening. What is that?
Ah, the path's blocked. There has to be another way. I've got a vision.
That's our guy.
Target's down.
Nice kill. Now get out of there.
I found a crashed drone.
Take it. It must be the one we're looking for.
Doc,
Good job. Mission accomplished. Hey, John. You're almost too good at this.
Thanks, I think.
No, I'm serious. The Separatists are spooked by your efficiency. They've figured out there is a new gun in town. Not sure they have your name yet.
JSOC has picked up some local chatter about you. You're getting quite the reputation.
And in the chatter, we heard a mention of a satellite comms facility in the mountains.
Christ, if we could hack in there, we'd have the Separatists by the short hairs.
You got it, Marine. And JSOC will get their intel. Await further details. Out.
You got more on the satellite comms?
Yeah. JSOC wants you to redirect the broadcast signal.
Manually?
We've got an approximation of the plans. You'll have to reposition the radio telescopes.
That it?
It's no cakewalk, John. You'll have to infiltrate a heavily guarded antenna array. This is a key facility for them. They'll quickly catch on about what happened, but before they do, we'll access all of their archives.
There's likely to be some chatter about Robert.
All I can promise is to keep our ears open. He may not even be alive.
Nah, Frank. He's too stubborn to die. Please.
All right. Ears open, John. Out.
Frank, I have a visual in the base.
The primary target are the radio telescopes. Make your way inside and reposition them to the coordinates I've uploaded to your tablet. Be careful with your drone. If you fly it too close to the dishes, their signals will interfere with its frequency.
fucking boring out here. Nothing ever happened.
There, John. Take that computer offline and those scientists will definitely come.
I've shut down the computer. You think this is going to work?
Positive. Wait for the scientists to come out and then sneak inside.
I was afraid the Georgians found a way to disrupt our signal.
With what? The hand-me-down equipment that NATO dumped on them? Don't make me laugh.
Hey, you never know. Anyway, we should get some power generation down. Sat-3 being down isn't a huge deal, as long as we still have the other. Problem is,
Well, don't forget the backup one, too. Funny stuff.
Uploading the coordinates to the first antenna.
This will work. Now find the other towers. We need all of them for this to work.
I never imagined I'd die like this.
We're under attack! Tango in my sights! Going hot! Roger!
Uploading the second set of coordinates.
Excellent. You're doing a hell of a... Hold on.
Got it.
I need answers, please. If you let me work, maybe
The signal's already down to half strength. Will you hurry the fuck up?
I said I'm on it.
Holy shit, John. That was too close. All right. Double time for the next dish and let's get the fuck out of here.
Shoot him.
I've shut down the computer. You think this is going to work?
Positive. Wait for the scientists to come out, and then sneak inside.
Something's wrong with that route? No, I mean, not yet. I was in the canteen earlier and I heard Aridze talking with his team about the night's generator maintenance. What? They plan to cut power off? Not completely. They need to turn off just one generator. We should be ready. Nobody told us shit about this. How can we be expected to do our job when we're not being told anything? It's reaching to the choir.
That's all of them.
Nice job, John. Take a breather. But don't slack off on me yet. We still have a lot of work ahead of us.
I don't know. Maybe they finally got the thing to work.
Probably, yeah. Mark it down in the log. What do you say?
That was too close. Well done, John.
Any chatter about Robert?
It's going to take a while to sort through and decrypt data. Nothing on your brother. But we hit the mother lode on a nearby train yard.
There's a train yard nearby in the region.
That's the one. It's being rebuilt as a major transportation hub. The Separatists are shipping something big.
It's not just an arms depot for smuggled weapons extra gear.
Could be. We've had chatter about Russia, Turkey, China, and Saudi Arabia redirecting shipments this way. But there's something much bigger at stake.
That takes some serious financial backing.
Someone is funding the Separatists as a front for a much larger endgame. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We've got to take out that hub.
I'll turn that train yard into a junkyard. Twisted metal and matchstick railroad ties.
JSOC will search the communications logs.
If Robert's out there, someone's gotta be talking about him.
Focus on the train yard. And I'll keep an ear out here.
Thanks. Out.